Hello everyone and welcome to Cook and Eat with Rabia. And today we are going to see a Eid special recipe, that is the mango trifle. So let us start with the recipe of mango trifle. So starting with the preparation of trifle, and first we are going to make the custard for it. So let us start with the recipe of custard. For custard, take a vessel and add 1 liter of milk into it. And let the milk cook until there is a nice boil. So once there is a boil into the milk, add 100 grams of sugar or according to your taste. And then let the milk cook until the sugar is completely dissolved and stir continuously until the sugar is dissolved. So once the sugar is dissolved completely, let it boil. So once there is a nice boil into the milk, we are going to mix the custard with water or milk. So here I am taking 4 tablespoons of vanilla custard powder for 1 liter of milk. You can also use mango custard powder. Now in this add 4 to 5 tablespoons of water or milk. Here I am using water. So once you've added the water, mix the custard powder and water well without any lumps. So once you've mixed the custard powder without any lumps, keep it aside. And once there is a nice boil into the milk, add 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And then add the custard mixture which we made, and then mix the custard continuously. Mix the milk and the custard continuously until the milk gets thickened. It would take around 15 to 20 minutes for the custard to get thickened. Do not make it very thick as we have to pour it onto the trifle also. So after 15 to 20 minutes our milk is thickened and the custard is ready. Now let the custard cool down and come to room temperature. Once it is cooled down, just refrigerate it in the refrigerator, and remember that the custard should be cold enough while you are pouring it onto the trifle. Now we are going to make the biscuit butter mixture. For that I have taken Marie biscuits. I have taken 2 packs of the normal 10 rupees pack of the Marie biscuit. You can take any of the digestive biscuit, around 20 biscuit. Add these biscuits into a mixer jar and grind it well. Do not make a very fine powder, just pulse it, and there should be some chunks of biscuit left into the powder. Now in this mixture, add a pinch of salt and 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter and mix the butter and the biscuit well, and our biscuit butter mixture is ready. Just keep it aside. And now we are going to make the whipping cream. For that I have taken around 200 grams of whipping cream and I am going to whip it. So whip it until the peaks are formed into the whipping cream. So the another way to check that if your whipping cream is ready is that invert the bowl of the whipping cream and see whether the whipping cream is falling or not. If the whipping cream is falling, that means you have to whip the cream, and if it is not falling, the whipping cream is ready. Now add the whipping cream into a piping bag, and here I have added a star nozzle. You can add any of the nozzle of your choice and keep the piping bag aside. And next we will need mangoes. Just chop the mangoes into small cubes, and we will need a bowl full of chopped mangoes. So chop the mangoes and keep it aside. And next we will need a small sponge cake, and cut the sponge cake into cubes, into small cubes as shown into the video. So here I have taken a small sized sponge cake. So cut the sponge cake into small cubes and keep it aside. Now we are going to make the mango jelly for our trifle. You can either use the premix or you can make it using agar agar at your home. Today I am going to make it from the premix, and the recipe of the agar agar jelly will be provided to you in the description. So please do check the description for the recipe of agar agar jelly. And now we are going to make the jelly using the premix. I am using Wickfield Jelly Crystal, mango flavored, and this is the 90 gram pack of the Wickfield Jelly Crystal. So let us start making it. So they have given 2 sachets into it. So add both of the sachets into a bowl. And then mix both of these powders well together. And once you have mixed it well, we are going to add 500 ml of hot water into it. So add 500 ml of hot water into the premix and mix them well, and your jelly is ready. Now you have to make this jelly 10 minutes before you are going to set your trifle. And remember that while you are pouring the jelly onto the trifle, the jelly should be in a semi-fluid condition. It should not be in a fluid condition, nor it should be in a solid condition. That is, it should not set completely. So once you have made the jelly crystal, add it into a piping bag and keep it aside. Now we are going to assemble our trifle. For that, take a container in which you have to set the trifle and add the biscuit butter mixture which we made. Add a layer of biscuit butter mixture and then just press it using any of the heavy object. Here I am using a potato masher, and then just set the biscuit butter mixture well. So once you have set the biscuit butter mixture well and firmly, we are going to add the cake pieces. Add the sponge cake pieces which you cut into cubes, and remember that the cake pieces should cover entire biscuit layer and there shouldn't be any extra gap between the cake pieces. So cover the entire layer of biscuit using the sponge cake. So once you've added the layer of cake, we are going to add the layer of cold custard. So pour the custard onto the top of the cake. Add adequate amount of custard so that the cake could soak. Remember that the custard should be cold enough. So do not add very large amount of custard or else the trifle could be soggy. Now once you've added the custard, add a layer of chopped mangoes. So here I am adding a layer of chopped mangoes. It should cover the custard layer completely. So once I've added the mango layer, we are going to again add a layer of custard. So I just drizzle a little bit of custard onto the top of the mangoes. And then we are going to add the jelly which we made. So add the mango jelly onto the top of the custard. And you can see that the consistency of the jelly is semi-fluid. It is not in a flowing consistency, nor it is fully set. So just pour the jelly all over the custard and cover the custard layer. So once you have added the layer of mango jelly, add the layer of whipped cream. So here I am using a star nozzle and I am making a simple design. So you can make any of the design of your choice. So just decorate the trifle with the whipping cream and cover the layer of jelly with the whipping cream. And once you've covered the layer of jelly with the whipping cream, your trifle is ready. You have to refrigerate this trifle for 1 to 2 hours in refrigerator. So after 1 to 2 hours of refrigeration, our trifle is ready to serve. So our tasty and delicious Eat Special mango trifle is ready.